Hello friends, if you see this wallet, it means it's my daily wallet. And one of the things that I do is that I empty it throughout the whole month as I go, and today is the day. As you can see, it's very not looking nice at all. Yes, I have to take all the receipt out and clean it up very well. This week we are taking a business trip, so I might have to take it along for expenses, but maybe not. But I just want to clean it up so that I'll cast off it nicely when I get paid. So look at it, it's very, very not good. So keep watching. Hi, hello. I hope you are doing very well. Like I said, this is my daily wallet, but oh, look at how it is. Look at it. First of all, I will take my receipt out. Take all the receipt out. I put money anyhow. This is the receipt. This receipt is going to go on my Fetch. Yeah, it's going to go on my Fetch. For those who don't know what Fetch is when you scan your receipt and you get rewards for that receipt. So these are my cards. I'm trying to arrange it very well. This is my ID. It's very, very not nice at all. Let's see. And let's see. Arranging it nicely, hopefully. And then I'll put all of this here. Okay. And let's see this part as well. And normally what I do is that I take the ones and the fives out, and I'll take my coins and everything out. I have a lot of ones and five. That one is going to go into my jar, so I'll leave that one here. All the ones and five are going to be taken out. The 20s, I'm going to put them back. Ones and five are here. I hope you guys can see that here. The 20, like my personal, I think I will need money in my personals for this week, so I'll put this 20 here. Grocery, I did spend. I have some ones. So this is also another way to save if you are doing cash staffing. Very easy. This is pet. I'll leave that one here. Date night, we use it already. Eating out, I'll leave that one here. Then shopping, we spent it already. So $20, this $20. Like I said, we have a business trip. In case I want to buy something, I'll put it in my personal as well. So look at how clean now it is. Then I'm also going to take my coins. I have a coins jar here that I'm going to put it in. So all the coins has to come out from the wallet. Then they will go into here. I have a lot of coins. I have to cast out the coins as well, but that will be another video. So this is how you can also save little by little throughout the whole year. Last year when I did save my 5 and 1s, I got about, I think, almost $600, and that was really cool to have that money saved at the end of the year. You can use it to do so many things, even towards your emergency fund, like literally. So if you're a cash staffer and you've not been saving your coins and stuff, start now. And also your ones and five is one of the game changing for me when I started cash staffing, because at the end of the year when I see that money, I'm so excited. So this is the wallet I take with me everywhere. I still have a few at my shop. I think I have like 6 left for this kind. And I also have one with a V shape. That one I have quite a few. So if you haven't grabbed yours yet, go ahead and do so. They are A7. And this is how it look like. These are my coins. I'm going to find time to do a video that will show you how I keep my coins as well. So I have my receipt, I have my coins. Now I have my ones that I'm going to put it in the 1s and 5 jar. This is the jar. For those of you who have been following me, you know this jar from last year. So this money goes in there, and see how much we have in there so far. It's growing. Yeah, I didn't do very well this year though. I should have gotten more than this, way more than this, but I'm still not doing very well. So if you have, so this is how I kind of clean up my wallet, and now I'm going to find a way to do a cast out this for the next month, October, how I'm going to spend, because I need to have a little money in here so that I wouldn't grab my credit card or swipe my card all the time, because cash starving has changed my world. It has helped me save a lot. It has helped me not overspend on stuff. So I really love my cash starving. If you are somebody who overspend on your card, use credit card a lot, I urge you to start with one category at a time and start using the cash starving, and it will change your world as well. Like, it will help you take a look at your money in a different way. When I started taking control over my finances, one of the things I do was to check the cash starving system out, and it has really helped me. Am I going to do this forever? Maybe not. For now, this is how we handle our money, and it's been helping us. Yes, helping us a lot. So thank you for watching me today. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you. If you have any question, leave in the comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.